Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing some Prison Life. I really like this game. I used to play it a lot. No police. Prisoners. So basically, if you haven't played Prison Life, then first off, probably not an OG. Well, not OG. So you're probably not an older Roblox player. Second of all, basically what you do is maybe a prisoner or cop and you have to turn escape. Security to switch. Okay. Exit. Here. Jeez. I think I need to go to the cameras. To the cameras. Why does it do that? That's so freaking weird. There we go. Yeah, I did almost risk my entire life. So I have SWAT on this game, which is pretty cool. SWAT's really good. Weaponry and mainly for cops. I can't grab it for some reason. RP, my bro. Can I literally... Roblox changed its cursor. So... Okay. What? Stop. Okay. I can't do anything. Why? What's wrong with this game? Okay. I think I've been going too wrong. I think we've been playing the wrong type of game today, guys. I know the perfect game. I know it. This one will maybe not have guns, but it will still be better work. If I can... Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. It's not press the button. It's don't press... Oh, my... Don't press the button. Or else you'll die. Basically, if you haven't played this game once more... I mean, it's not an old game. It's all old. But basically, what you do, you press... You're not supposed to press the button, but... In order to play the game, you press the button. So you press the button, and literally random stuff happens, like extremely random. Like once I played, I'm not sure if it's this version or a different version, but freaking started raining dog heads, which kind of weird. We got our bell ring. Ding. Here we are. Oh, beautiful map. Time to spam the button. This is really sad. What's going... What? This is... What's wrong with this game? What the results are... Oh, we were supposed to spam... it said spam the button, but... Press. The spiky walls are coming close. Don't touch the spikes. Make me. Oh! Gamer! Right here, gamer of the year. I'm the gamer of the freaking year. I'm a pro. He died. I'm a pro at this. Oh, yeah. With your table? What table? That table. Okay. Jeez, no! That is really... Why tables? Why not like hammers or something? Hello, piggy. Can I glitch? Please let me glitch. No, my head's just gonna be stuck. That's fine. Maybe we can make a human tower. I get out and you just stay. Dang it, I think they were smart enough to put a top on it. It's not even fair. I died. Why it's share? Why not maybe like a car or something? Oh crap. I'm not gonna win this one. Wait, this song... I'm gonna have to mute that because, That is the Plants vs. Zombies song, if I remember right. Wait. Yep, that's Plants vs. Zombies. It's clear as daylight. Well, Stinks is a good song. I like Plants vs. Zombies. In fact, I may or may not have a Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare, well, Battle for Neighborville video coming out soon. Which, if you subscribe, like, and hit that bell, then you'll be able to find easier or something. No, I was the only one. The only freaking one. But anyway, please like and subscribe and stuff. If you do, then you'll get a free cookie, which is a pretty good deal to me. Oh my. I stink. Don't press the button. I'm not very good at that, am I? It takes me back. I pushed shop though. Deliver that has the same color of the box. I don't know my colors very well. Because I'm colorblind. I mean, not actually, but I can't. I'm not very good at colors. Red. Hurry! Take the darn pizza! Take it! Yes! For the first time, I actually won something in my entire life. Push the button. Get ready to push each other off with a blow dryer. Last time I checked, you're gonna have to do a lot of stuff to make your blow dryer be able to push people off freaking cliffs. Mine's not working. Stupid. He pushed himself up. Thanks for the time. Pew, 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 pew. Pew. No! You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. No. Oh, he's dead. He's well dead. You'll never kill me. Oh, yes. Yes. I finally won. Again. I am the champion. Do or not. Trivia question. It's not 2020. It's probably like 2018. Because that's when this type of game was popular. Bye. Why did I say bye? I meant to say do it. Okay. Yes, peanut butter jelly time. Woo, woo. Nope. Ooh, I can jump high. Legendary. I think the bananas took us to space. Space is very beautiful. Oh, Roblox changed the mouse. How did I go this long without noticing that? Half of these people are just African, one speaking Spanish or something. Trampoline! Very cool, Johnny. This is stupid. Yeah, trampoline. But why can't I just jump on a real life trampoline? That makes a lot more sense. Plus, it's a lot more entertaining. Like, a lot more. What did you say? Spanish! Score a goal with the soccer ball. I hate soccer. Why would I? No, give me the ball. The ball's gone. Oh, there's like a barrier or something. I will be scoring that. Thank you. This is chaos, and it's never gonna go in. Ever. Like, this ball's not going in. It's all just being reasonable. Hey, let me score. No. Yeah. There isn't a chance anyone's gonna score. Shop. Or not. The cake is. Oh, wait. Isn't that from, like that Portal Gun game or something? Yeah, I think it is. Because, like. Where are we? Sonic. I'm Sonic now. Sonic speed. Sonic, and that's the barrier. How far are we? Well, far enough to die. Oh, dude. So mean. I didn't want to die. Of course I did, but let's see. Whoa. Wow. You're just standing on it like whatever. Oh man, wow. I respect Piggy. Gosh, these are far jumps. Hack. I found a hack or something. No! I don't think anyone's gonna win that. You have to go fast. Oh, Piggy. No, he's dead. He's so dead. Wait, no, he's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Yeah, woohoo! The lady died. How did she even die? It's speedrun. Ooh, I'm good at speedruns on Minecraft. Sorry, I had to add the Minecraft part because I'm not good at this type of speedrun. I'm good at Minecraft speedruns. Got I forgot how long, 40 minutes yesterday. Which isn't great compared to Dream, but it's pretty good for me because I'm good at Minecraft, but not that good. I've been playing Minecraft 8 years. Since 2012 at least. I'm an OG Minecraft player. Oh, okay, this isn't too tough. I only have a little longer, but if I don't go... Oh, I thought that, this weird road thing was the end. No! My life has no meaning anymore. That sucks. No one finished, I can tell you that. Oh, my piggy dude left. I want to press it. I never get to press it. Benjik. Okay. Color the tiles. Oh, hey, I made it up there. That's cool. Blue. Get the blue everywhere. Man. Oh, no, you did not. You did not. So, guys, let's see. I think I'm going to end the video off here. If you enjoyed or something for some reason, very weird reason, please like and subscribe. As always, keep eating bacon. Now. Okay, I'm done.